Dropped a pan on your glass cooktop? Cracked the surface? Here's the honest answer about whether it can be repaired. Short answer: no. A cracked glass cooktop cannot be patched or repaired. The entire glass surface needs to be replaced. There's no filler, epoxy, or sealant that safely fixes a cracked cooktop. Why you can't ignore it? The glass surface is an electrical insulator between you and live heating elements underneath. A crack compromises that insulation. Moisture can seep through the crack and cause a short circuit. It's both a safety and electrical hazard. Cost of glass top replacement: $300 to $700 depending on the brand and size. Samsung and LG glass tops run $400 to $600. GE and Whirlpool are $350 to $550. Premium brands like Viking or Wolf can exceed $700. The repair versus replace decision: if the cooktop is under 5 years old, replacing the glass top makes sense. If it's over 8 years old, you're close to the cost of a new cooktop or range. A new electric range with a glass top starts around $500 to $600. Prevention: use flat-bottom cookware only. Never slide pots across the surface. Don't drop anything on it. Avoid placing heavy items on the cooktop when it's not in use. If your glass top has a small chip but no crack, it may be safe to continue using. But monitor it closely for any crack propagation. Glass cooktop assessment and replacement. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.